Nelson Jewell for Fox 22 at the Bangor Home Show. Make sure you stop in this weekend. It's here all weekend long. An incredible amount of exhibitors here. If you're working on your home or maybe you need some work done to your home, I would come here, first of all, especially if you're talking about your roof, and talk to Jared Williams with Williams Roofing. Jared, how are you?
Great, how you doing?
I'm doing wonderful, and I can attest to Jared's work and his crew's work because I work for a company, and these guys came in the cold. I mean, it was bitterly cold. And this was a big building, and they knocked this roof out in no time at all, and it never leaked. I mean, we had a lot of leaks before it, but nothing after that, and it was just a beautiful job. And that's just a little example as to what Jared and the crew can do. But you've got some great deals going on if somebody's looking to get their house roofed.
We do. Right now, if you come to the home show and sign up for an estimate and decide to go with us between now and booking between now and July 1st, and we'll offer $500 off the roof. And also now that we have lifetime shingles and lifetime metal, we're going to be actually offering a lifetime warranty, like a real lifetime warranty, not like the old fake ones like Angeline or any of that stuff.
Yeah.
A real one.
A real one.
Yes.
A real one. Just some incredible products. And what about colors and that kind of thing?
We actually, when my dad first started putting on standing seam metal back in '91, I think there were 5 colors of metal. Now there's 36 to choose from.
36 colors to choose from. So
yeah.
Something that can really match your house.
Exactly.
All right.
And now they actually even have metal shingles to go along with standing seam metal. We offer architectural shingles and rubber roofing.
WilliamsRoofing.com. Estimates?
Free estimates, and we're insured, of course.
Okay. Beautiful. All right. And Jordan, come over here really quick. All right. Do a little cheer for me, would you? Check this out.
Williams Roofing is awesome.
Williams Roofing is awesome. All right. Nelson Jewell on location. Bangor Home Show, Fox 22.